Welcome back. It's a new day in the garage and we got a laundry list of things to do, so we're gonna dive right into it. My dad's getting this bumper all bolted up. He's got some bracketry going, and me and Trey are gonna go bleed the brakes. We picked up a Harbor Freight kit here. We're gonna see how that goes, and we're gonna send this thing off to alignment. We're on our way to Elite Pride to get my Driveline. We shortened it up 1.5 inches because slid that axle forward, as you guys see. We'll show you when we get it. Okay, so we got back from the place and now we're gonna install this thing. So I gotta slide it up in there and then I gotta put it in there. It's a little yoke.
It's going in.
Is it?
No.
Is it in?
No. Actually, I think it's a little too far in there.
Just get him hand tight.
Got the drive chain installed. We're ready to go.
Okay, so we got that side done. Now we're just gonna hit these ones, and this tow package should come off. Maybe. Take two. Oh. Last bolt, let's see how this goes. Okay. She's now free. Lowering her down. Okay, so we got it rolling out of the garage and we're gonna load it up onto this trailer. We had to unbolt the fenders off of it because it's a little wide in the front, so we got some blocks and had to get up over the wheels right there. And then we weren't able to bleed the brakes because we had some seals that were bad, so they didn't go as planned. So we winched it right up over, and then it falls right here and the bed slides back. We'll strap it on, load this thing up, and get it over to alignment. Okay, so we made it, and we're gonna have this thing get aligned, and then we're gonna have them do the exhaust work for it, and we're gonna have them bleed the brakes because a few of our seals kind of went bad, so they're gonna hook us up and get it done. Okay, so we got the call that the truck is done, and we're heading to go pick it up now. So it's our first time firing this thing up since they done the exhaust, so let's hear it. so now we're gonna load it up onto the trailer for the second time, and we're gonna get this thing home. So as you see us run around here, the shifter linkage got stuck on the body mount that we made. So we're gonna have to do a little chopping when we get home. And then the battery died on us also. So we might have a lead somewhere, or they might have left the key on. But we'll figure it out. So we'll slam the hood there and get it up on. We had to block it and do the same thing again. But it went on easier this time because we had brakes and it moved under its own power. Okay, we got it back at the house. It's snowing now. I don't know why. We got the exhaust done, the alignment done. The brakes are bled. There's like a few different lines that they had to adjust, so that's why we couldn't get them bled in the garage. But I can show you guys what's going on down here. We just had them dump it out the side right here, right before the tire. We got flow 40s on there. They just got straight out of the headers and went down and then through the frame right there, and then just dumped them right before the tire on each side. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you stay tuned to see this thing drive. And if you're new, make sure you like and subscribe as well. And go back and watch our old videos and get caught up to speed on what is going on.